think many of the people who oppose marriage equality are looking at marriage through a very narrow frame. Perhaps they have an image in their head of a wedding at a church. And they don't necessarily think about the importance of some of the legal protections that are associated with civil marriage. As an out lesbian, I have throughout my life seen different instances of inequality, of discrimination, and injustice. And certainly lack of access to the institution of marriage is chief among them. I have, sad to say, former constituents who met and fell in love. Lucy was from France and Pamela was from Wisconsin. They sought to live together for the rest of their lives, but because they couldn't marry, Pamela had no way of sponsoring Lucy for citizenship in the US. Her visa ran out, and the only way they can be together is to flee to Canada. I mean, that's heartbreaking. So to them, the biggest importance of the right of marriage would be to be able to sponsor your life partner to become a US citizen. For couples with children where they won't recognize a second parent, I mean, that's the most critical protection, because you worry about the risk of losing custody or not having your parental relationship recognized by authorities in schools or elsewhere in hospitals. So it really is unique to the family of this fabric of protections and obligations and responsibilities and privileges that we bundle together as civil marriage, which one is the most crucial to them. But they are sometimes life or death matters. They're matters of securing property. And I think of couples where one has a family that's hostile to the relationship. Well, you know, if they were to pass away, there'd be a dispute over property. I mean, it's horrible, and it's happened time and time again in our nation's history. So there are many, many important rights associated with the institution of marriage.